discovery board. In this session, we'll discuss both RX and TX mechanism to receive and character as echo using serial communication. So let's start. I'm using Keil here. Configure a complete project. This is the code. In this code, UART4 is used for transmission and reception purpose. PA0 pin will be accessed as a TX and PA1 will be considered as a. How the code is going to execute? If I place a key from keyboard, will be received to the STM32 microcontroller, and it will again send back on TX to system as a hyperterminal. Okay, so if I press a Y, it will be displayed on the hyperterminal, which right now we are discussing. Yes, so in UART init, first we need to configure the port to enable the clock. Then it is accessed as a UART, so we need to configure the AFR register, alternate function register. Then we need to configure the mode of the pins we are using or accessing these pins as RX and TX. PA0 and PA1 modes has been selected. As we are using the baud rate 9600, so in baud rate auto reload register, this 0x0683 value is going to download, and now just set the control register 1 and control register 2 to set the parameters as a 8-bit data with 1 stop bit. And apart from that, these are the bits required to enable the UART. So once the configuration is done, now we are interested to know the two routines. First is to transmit the data, second is to receive data. Transmit data, UART4 write is routine in which from status register it will check the transmit buffer, TI buffer, that flag, and once the data is ready with the value in the CH, it will wait until it is get clear. Okay, so this is a transmission routine. In reception routine, similar way, the value which is available on the receive buffer until it is not accepted from the data register to the temporary variable, the flag will remain as it is, and so on. So this is a routine. So according to these given parameters, we have configured the program. In main routine, just enable the out. Take the character which has been received over here and again dump it back to the out parameter. So character received in the temporary variable character C, and again that C is transmitted back to the UART. Okay, this is code. So build the code and download the code. Yes, downloading is done. Now I'm going to a hyperterminal, that is a putty. So on my system on COM5 the hyperterminal is present, so I have configured that on 9600 baud rate. This is the COM5 with putty mechanism. So if I place here character as a R, or let's say Q, it will show the character over here. If I place the character as a K, it will show over here. I'm receiving the echo. Okay, so for example, if I want to check whether I am doing it properly or not, for that purpose I am going to remove one cable. Okay, so just have a look over here. Yes, so if you look over here, I am receiving here. I am removing this from my circuit. Yes, cable has been removed. Now see on terminal, if I type anything, will not be accessed. I am right now typing, but it is not getting accepted over here. Why? The transmission is not happening, reception is not happening. Okay, again I am putting back this A1. Let's see whether it is again accessible or not. Yes, X, Z, S, A, it is now typing. This is code for having an echo using the serial communication. Apart from that, to understand for the students, I have added one short that if I press R, then it has to turn on the red LED over here. Okay. Similarly, there are 4 LEDs: red, green, orange, and blue. So if I press similar these characters, it will turn on the LED on my system. Let's see. If I press R, yes, red LED is turned on. If I press O, orange LED is turned on. If I press B, blue LED is turned on. If I press G, green LED is turned on. So R, B, O. Yes. So this is the serial communication along with the echo for transmission reception, as well as additional part to have fun with the students with red, green, blue LEDs controlled using the character. Thank you so much.